Alright guys, today I just wanted to hop on and do an oil change on a couple skid steers here. This one in particular I'm doing is a John Deere 328, and I just wanted to show you if you were doing an oil change, where the drain plug is and the oil filter number, all that stuff. Pretty simple. Our oil filter is right there. We have a Napa 7076, and that's the new one I'm putting on. And the drain is going to be down here. I loosened up some bolts for speeding up the video. But we had, I believe there were 10 millimeters on the side, and your center bolt here is going to be a 5/8. So you want to remove this access panel here. And once you get that panel off, you can see it's going to be really, really corroded in there. But pretty much this is where you want to get your socket on here. This is your drain plug. It's not going to pull out any farther than that. So I would take even a flathead, just get in here and clean all this out. Free up your socket, or use your finger like I did. When you put your socket on here and you're turning it, you can see that the whole, it's actually two parts here, and the whole thing is just spinning and it's not backing out. What you have to do is you actually got to get a hold back wrench on this other nut in here, and make sure you got 2 oil pans at a minimum. These hold a lot of oil, so you're going to put one under there and you're going to find that it's going to fill really fast, and then you're going to be running around trying to find another one. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. And the wrench you're going to need to hold that is going to be a 1 1/8. Take your wrench and try to get it in there on an angle the best you can, like that. And then you'll go ahead and put your socket on with your impact, and you'll take that front nut off. All right, I had already loosened it, and I just came back to put the video on to show you. But you are going to need a hold back there, and that's going to be 1 inch to be able to take this front plug out successfully. All right, and you can see our oil's coming out now. And so hopefully this helps you out, guys. Please, if you could hit subscribe below and give me a like. I'll see you next time.